Welcome to Care to Watch. Today we are in for a treat and it's a Christmas cook-off. What's going to happen? 3 excellent chefs will be battling it out to see who can make the best meal and have bragging rights as the best chef. So, rules of the game, they will have leftovers from Christmas dinner and they'll be able to add any additional ingredients. So, let's meet the chefs. Okay, so first chef today, we've got Mark and he's my little pud. Hi Mark, how's it going?
Hi Luke, it's going cool, man.
Okay, so can you explain what are you going to make?
Well, I've got a range of leftovers for the Christmas dinner. So I've got gammon, I've got turkey, I've got carrots, parsnips, I've got pigs in blankets, roast potatoes. And from that, I'm going to make an amazing Christmas club sandwich served with a bit of a side salad and a sour onion cheese dip. In addition, I'm also going to make a lovely frittata, which is a posh name for a Spanish omelette. It's going to be full of these other goods I've got here, nice bit of cheese, some vegetables, and again, served with an amazing salad with a nice lime dressing.
Wow, that sounds fantastic, and I love the enthusiasm. What are your thoughts on what the other chefs are creating?
Listen, it's a great pleasure just to be here because I think we're all winners, but obviously me being a master chef, with over 35 years experience, I'm just gonna kick and win, yeah? Because the dishes are excellent. These guys will attempt their best shot, I'm sure, but hands up, master chefs always win.
Okay, next up we've got Darren, and I'm sure he'll be clucking his way to victory. Hi Darren, how are you?
Oh, good, thank you. You?
Very well, and can you explain for our audience what you are going to make today?
So I'm going to be making a, do you know what, I've forgotten what it's called. Bubble and squeak with a poached egg on top. To go with that, I'm also making some Christmas pudding bonbons.
Sounds simple.
Yeah, very easy for the guys to do.
How confident are you about winning?
Semi, I've got a master chef there and a master cook the other side.
Great.
So we'll see.
Okay, next up we've got Sam, and he knows how to crack a joke, don't you, Sam?
Better than that one, yeah.
So, can you explain to the audience what you will be making today?
I'm going over to Spain today. We're going to have a paella, Christmas paella. Ingredients? Coming right up. I've got some gammon, I've got some turkey, pigs in blanket, Brussels sprouts with bacon, some green beans from the leftovers, and then I've also got some chorizo, some vegetables, a bit of rice, and some spice.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
Let's find out.
So, have you ever been in a cook-off before, Sam?
Once or twice, yeah. What do you want to know? The big one? Well, in 2002, I entered a competition, and it was called Young Chef of the Year, 2002. I was victorious in that one, as I will be in this one too.
Okay, now we've met the chefs. There's 30 minutes on the timer. Ready, steady, cook!
I'm too shaky. Just sweating off my onions before I add my peppers. Get those softening up a little bit before we get some chorizo in there. Add the rice and then start with the stock to get that cooking. That's the priority because the rice is going to take the longest time to cook.
Yeah, I'm just combining the ingredients right now. I'm going to turn them into a disc, then I'm going to panne them in the flour, the eggs, the breadcrumbs. Then I'm going to put it into the oven to cook off. And while I do that, I'm going to make the chocolate bonbons.
Okay, so I've just prepared my pot for frittata, chopping my carrots, my onions in the pan, parsnips, potatoes will go in here, a bit of turkey, a bit of ham, and then we'll add the egg. I've already got the potatoes in the oven, and yeah, we're cooking, girl.
So, okay, chefs, to add to the pressure, we're going to ask some questions whilst you're doing your cooking, so make sure you got your buzzers ready.
Oh, chef, thank you.
Ready. Not listening, do you? Okay, so who can name all of Santa's reindeers?
Prancer, Dancer, Cupid, Blitzen, George, Robin, Alexa.
Close enough. Great answer. Which Christmas hit is one of the best physical selling music singles in history? Samuel?
Mariah Carey, All I Want for Christmas.
Perfect. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, chefs, what is the name of the Christmas character that tried to steal Christmas? Oh, we'll go with Darren.
The Grinch.
Perfect. Okay, guys, what are the 3 typical items that you would find in a Christmas cracker? Darren.
Bottle opener, playing cards, and a hairbrush.
Absolutely. So, Mark, can you let us know how you're getting on?
Okay, so the potatoes are in the oven. That's those lovely spicy potatoes I told you about earlier. We got our frittata on the stove. It's just cooking away. In a minute, that's going to be popping into the oven. So it's a nice souffle Spanish omelette. We got our toast in the toaster, ready for our club sandwich. And then we're going to make our club sandwich and then crack on.
Great stuff. Are you worried about the time?
Not at all. What time are we on?
We have 20 minutes to go. So, Darren, those chocolate bonbons are looking great.
Even the Christmas pudding ones.
Even the Christmas pudding ones. Do you want to let the audience know how you're getting on?
Doing all right. I've got the bubble and squeak. I've remembered it now. Bubble and squeak in the oven. I'm doing the bonbons now. Need time for them to set. And I should be all right.
Wow. Smells great. So, Sam, the pan's bubbling away. Do you want to let the audience know how you're getting on?
I'm a bit worried, Luke, if I'm honest. I've forgotten to put my garlic in.
Oh, no.
I'm worried.
Well, hopefully it all works out.
Dun, dun, dun. You want my joke? 2 snowmen in a field. One says to the other, "Can you smell carrot?" No? No.
So, chefs, we're nearly halfway. We've got a few more questions for you, though. So, how many Home Alone movies are there?
4.
Samuel.
3.
4.
5.
Everyone got it wrong. There is 6.
I didn't realise there was that many.
So, guys, you've got 13 minutes left on the clock. So, chefs, what 3 gifts did Jesus receive from the 3 wise men?
Gold, frankincense, myrrh.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, so I'm going to need an answer from all 3 of you here, and closest one wins. So, how many crackers were sold in Britain in 2021? Mark.
62 million.
62 million. Darren, what's your answer?
63 million.
63 million. And Samuel?
Christmas crackers, cheese crackers,
Christmas crackers.
Christmas crackers. 64.5 million.
Well, it was 154 million.
So wrong.
5-minute warning, guys. 5-minute warning. What year did the movie Elf get released? Samuel?
2008.
2007.
That is also incorrect.
2004.
Closest answer wins. It was 2003.
Time check, please.
4 minutes.
Zoom in on that deliciousness, I should think.
Oh, you in then? Tan your backs.
My stove's not working, by the way. That keeps going out. You've given me the dodgy stove.
It's horrible.
That was the trouble, he couldn't get it hot.
What's that?
Lovely ball, chef.
Oh, no.
Nice and shiny.
Okay guys, final question. How many vocalists were featured in the 1984 Band-Aid single, Do They Know It's Christmas Time at All?
6.
6. It's a pretty bad guess.
180.
180. And Darren?
75.
75. Darren wins. It was 41. You have 2 minutes and 30 seconds, guys. Let's get these plated up.
I can't, I've just put oh my God, I'm under pressure. This liquid will go, won't it? 2.5 minutes.
You don't.
Got a colander, chef.
I've got a sieve.
Yeah, that'll be all right. Trap all the flavour in, wrap the heat up. Here we go.
Okay, guys, we're in the last minute. Let's finalise these dishes.
That's fine.
Sorry, chef.
Trying to give it, as much time as it. Can you let me know when there's 12 seconds left, please? Da, 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 da.
Boom.
Just gonna go in with it.
You guys are on 30 seconds.
Oh no, too soon, man.
Darren, at least make it look like you're doing something.
I am, I'm cleaning up my mess.
Ten seconds, guys. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop what you're doing!
Oh my,
How cool was that? Have an amazing Christmas club sandwich served with lovely roasties, flavoured with some curry spice, with a nice lime vinaigrette with a little bit of Dijon mustard, a bit of sour cream chive dip, and then a lovely bit of a garnish on top. And next to it, we have our frittata, a nice glaze of balsamic vinegar there, a nice, oh look at that, it's beautiful. And then another salad and another chive dip we can use in there. And look, it's a whole pan, and I've got enough here to feed another 8 people.
Right, we've got, you know what, I forgot the name of it again. Okay, that's the second time, right, we've got some Bobbin' Squeak with all your Christmas trimmings in it. We've also got some pickled carrot underneath with a nice poached egg on top. Should be nice and gooey. And to finish off, we've also got some Christmas pudding bonbons, which are covered in orange chocolate and hundreds of thousands.
Kept things really simple over in this corner. We've gone over to Spain. We've got here a one-pot pasta, nice paella, some vegetables, turkey, ham, chorizo.
Hey.
Which one's your favourite? You can't have all of them, come on. The end one?
Like this, like that one. Just go with this one.
That one? Yeah. Amazing. Which one was your favourite, Nikki? Which one?
What was your favourite? Which one do you want?
In that order.
In that order, yeah?
Love it.
scores are in, and I can reveal it was a tie between two chefs. So everyone enjoyed all of the dishes, but it was very close. And the two winners are Chef Darren.
Yay!
And Chef Sam. Commiserations, Mark. How do you feel? I feel I'm gonna let So, since there was no individual winner, we are going to have to return for a final cook-off between the two winning chefs. Yeah! Thanks for watching Care to Watch. Hopefully you'll make some Christmas meals from the recipes that you've seen today and join in next time. Thank you.
Yay!